we're gonna go down to the Cowley State Lake. They got a really cool waterfall and stuff down there, and we're gonna film it. It says the Cowley State Lake. Okay, it says waterfall is that way. Look at those condors flying up there. Those things will attack your drone. Waterfall is oh, there's some people down here at the waterfall. I hope they're not swimming. You can hear it. The ledge there. That's pretty far down. Where's the trail? Now, well, it's on, but it's not recording. Just broken glass everywhere. Oh shit. Doing some mountain climbing. Whoa, shit. Man, I'm gonna slip and fall eventually. Let me know if you need some help again. I think we can go this way. Yeah, here we are. There's a good trail. Get up here. You get this, then we go. How far down that is. Huh? Check out how far down that is.
I don't want to know.
Alright, let's turn around. There we go. It's a long fall.
Yeah.
You want me to get in front of you so it's okay? You can slide down.
Nope.
Slide on your butt. That's the way to do it. You want to make sure that you're not going to fall. I need to find a flat surface. How do you get my phone out of the car? Damn it! Now I gotta climb all the way back up. We'll try to get to the other side. Across those rocks. Can you make it over here? Can you make it over here? Now we're gonna get real close. It's gonna get loud. Look at that. Look at that right there. Try to hold this out so it doesn't get wet. Yeah. Right here's the shot that you need. You need to take a picture right here. She's over there trying to find good places to take selfies and Snapchats. That rock right there is the only slippery one.
Stay right here.
Stay right here. You got a good one right here. Then the drone will see you. Right? Drone. I want to get you taking a selfie. Cuz. King of the world. So should I jump on that rock? And then to that rock? Or should I just jump straight to this one? I'm going to try it. That's their campsite. Oh. I did it! Hey, by the way, can I sit on this edge? Huh? Can I sit down right here? Narc. I said we can make a whole different type of video. Alright, next jump. Down to there. Oh. Just in case you couldn't hear me with the waterfall, we left the drone on so you could see us walk over that way. So hopefully we got some pretty good stuff. Down around the waterfall, it's actually like a wind vortex here. I don't know what it was, but it's real calm right here. And I thought that that waterfall would actually block the wind. But I flew up there, and it's almost like a wind tunnel right there by the waterfalls. And I got over on the side and started to come in to get a complete view of the waterfall itself, and you could see that the wind was just, it was fighting me. I was trying to go this way, and it was just fighting me back. I was having to go forward and side the whole time, like more than I should have, to fight the wind, because the wind was just taking the drone everywhere. You can see that there's a pocket right up there. I should have brought the waterproof casing, because I would have taken the GoPro and stuck it up there so you guys could see behind the waterfall, but I wasn't even thinking of that. So hopefully I got some good shots. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We're gonna head back up. I'm pouring down sweat. I don't know about you. I might go jump in the waterfall, cool myself off. Then Jenni can smell my soaking ass the whole way. Look at that. Piece of the red clay. When I landed it, there's no even spots around here. And so it landed and just immediately fell backwards. I hope you know, if I get home, there's no footage. I'm heading back up, leaving the waterfall. Oh, my bad. Sorry. Wear protective gear. At least past, this is a ton of glass. There's been a lot of parties down here. That's where we were. Right there on that rock with the blackish color. That was fun. That's it for vlog number 30. 30 vlogs. I thought 25 was cool. Are you just trying to get out of camera?
I turned it here to get you.